Hey there, my name is Adeola. How are you doing today? I'm so excited to be here again, and I just really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for listening to my videos, for subscribing, for liking them. Now, I want to ask that you share them also. If it blesses you, bless other people with it. Please, it's my plea. This is my gospel to the world, my good news to the world. How I can help raise 10 billion wholesome people all over the world. That's the mandate that I've given to myself. And it starts with you, and you sharing it, and they sharing it, and other people sharing it. And we're able to raise 10 billion people all over the world together. We got a gift for you. Once again, it's an abundance prayer. You would love it. Listen to it for 30 days. Keep subscribing. Keep sharing me with other people and sharing me to the world. I've got a few things lined up that I'll soon start sharing. I want to do like live YouTube videos as well, or live YouTube programs as well, and sessions where you can ask me live questions. But that's going to happen very, very soon. So a lot of things in the kitty, and I'll be unleashing them one after the other. I'm just so excited to even be doing this to start with. Now, let me tell you the truth. It took a while for me to start to do these videos, and I'll tell you why. I started to self-sabotage. I would say to myself, oh, I need to do makeup every day. I need to, and so I said to myself, okay, so doing makeup every day, if I don't wear makeup, what then happens? Will people not watch me? Are people coming to watch me because of my makeup? Or are people coming to watch me for the value that I'm going to be adding to their lives? And so I said to myself, okay, let them use makeup eyes to watch me. And so I threw that out of the window, and I started to do this. And I'm almost at 500 subscribers without even doing any advertising at all. And I'm so grateful once again. Now I had another hurdle. What am I going to wear? If I was going to do 6 videos, do I have to change 6 times? And that also became another hurdle for me to cross. And so I said to myself, once again, are people coming to watch what I'm wearing, or coming to listen to what I have to say? And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to wear the same outfit as if I was going to shoot, because I shoot in block, and that's the truth. So if I'm going to shoot 10 videos, I'm going to wear the same thing for 10 videos. Maybe what I'll then do is change my glasses, which is what I've been doing, right? So this is me telling you that as I'm teaching you, I'm also using it on myself. But the thing that I've said to myself is I will not stop. The fact that I have people who are even subscribing, who are watching me, who are listening to me, is enough to tell me that 1, I'm doing a great job, 2, I'm dishing out value, 3, there are phenomenal people out there who are willing to listen to my content. And not just that they're listening to it and flipping past, they're actually watching it to the end. Some watching it, halfway, some watching it to the end. Some people have gone as far as sending me comments. Some people have gone as far as sending me questions. It's phenomenal. And once again, I don't take it for granted. And you are my gift. You are my gift. You are the answer to my prayer, that I can reach 10 billion people all over the world. You are the answer to my prayer. And so that's what I want to talk about today. Attracting gifts, attracting things to our lives. Last conversation, we talked about listening to the universe and receiving from the universe. Today, I want to talk about gifts. I'm going to tell you something that happened to me. I was listening to a lady on YouTube, and she said, just for you to know how powerful you are, I want to give you a task. Think about something, anything. The more mundane, the better. Think about receiving a particular gift or seeing something out there in the universe. So I thought, okay. So I thought, mundane, rubber duck. So I thought, a yellow rubber duck with red beak. Oh, yes, and maybe a red tail. And I thought, I want to see that. Either somebody gives it to me, or I'm passing on the street and I see it somewhere. So day 1 passed, and I was thinking, I'm going to see my rubber duck. I'm expecting to see my rubber duck. I know that I'm going to see my rubber duck because I'm phenomenal and I'm powerful and I'm a great manifester. And what I ask for, I receive. I mean, this is me just saying, I got this. Day 2, nothing. In fact, I started to look out for it, and maybe I'll find somebody, because we have street hawkers in Nigeria, in Lagos State. And so I was like, okay, maybe I'll find one of them walking past selling toys for children. Day 2, nothing. Day 3, I'm like, nah, And so it started to, I'm thinking, Then I thought, no, I'm powerful. So I had a class with, I think it was Dean Graziosi. And I must tell you that I've had phenomenal teachers. Marissa Pear, Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, Lisa Nichols, Neil Donald Walsh, Wayne Dyer, Louise Hay. I've had so many teachers. I've done courses with most of the people that I'm talking to. I've learned at the Bob Proctor, I've learned from the great ones, and that's why I'm able to dish out all I dish out, because I'm learning and I keep learning, and I'll be a learner for life. And so I digress. So this day I was having a class with Dingra and my other group members, and somebody was talking and he asked her to bring out something, and guess what she brought out? The rubber duck, the same color that I asked for, a red body and yellow body and a red beak, I said, yes, I saw my rubber duck. And I had somebody with me, and she said, what are you excited about? And I told her the story. I said 3 days ago that when I was beginning to shake and ask myself, am I really as good as I say I am? And guess what? My rubber duck showed up in the most unexpected of places. So I say that to say this. We're all powerful manifestors. The awareness of it is what the challenge is. Are you aware of how powerful you are? Are you aware that what you think about, you be about? Are you aware of that? Are you aware of, as a man thinketh, so is he? Are you aware of the amount of dynamism you have in you and how uniquely powerful you are? That all you need to do is think a thing and is established unto you. Remember, you should decree a thing and it shall come to pass. You think on good things. That's the same thing with expecting gifts as well. It will come from all the unexpected. The how is not my business. I always say this. The how is none of my business. My work is to ask, and my work is to receive. And in between asking and receiving, I'm grateful. I'm expectant. I'm anticipating, and I'm so excited about it. In fact, I'm like that child who asks for something from their parents and their parents say yes without physically getting it, and they're jumping off excited. Mommy said yes, but it's not in your hand. My daughter will say yes, and she will walk away excited whether she even gets it or not, regardless. And so I choose to be like that with the universe. I choose to be like that with God. I choose to be like that with Source, like a 2-year-old in my heart, excited about the things that come into my life and into my experience, and going forth already believing that it's here. Can you also do the same thing? Can you ask for something and look out for it? Be excited about it. And it could be anything. Honestly, there are days where I say, today I'm going to receive money and I'm going to receive thousands of dollars. And most times I'm specific. Today I want to receive $1,000. Today I want to receive $2,000. Today I want to, I set my intentions out every day in the beginning of the day, and I always achieve it, right? And I'm teaching my tribe to do the same as well. And so I'm teaching you to do the same today. Set your intentions early in the day. That morning time when you wake up, before you pick up your phone and start wondering what's happening in the world, set your intentions. Say, today my intention is to be happy, healthy, and wealthy. Today my intention is to receive money. Be specific about the money, because when you say money and you get $1, you say, oh, I didn't want $1, but did you say what you wanted? So you're receiving your gifts as well. I would rather call them expected gifts, because you know that they're going to come, but in unexpected places, because you don't know how they're going to come. So for me, that's what it is. Ask for it, be specific about it, and then start to expect it from all the unexpected places. And they do come. I promise you that. I'm a clear example of it. That's why I told you the story. And I have many of those stories to tell that happen to me every day. So be specific about what you want and see the universe show you how good you are in manifesting. And you will manifest it, and you'll thank me for this later. Have a wonderful day.